Okay, so today guys, we're going through Christmas style protein eggnog shake. So this is going to be the festive shake for the festive games. So we're going to go Muscle Nation vanilla protein to start us off here, because we want to have anabolic Christmas and we don't want to be small. We're going to go for 2 scoops, so we're going to have 50 grams of protein. But first, before I forget, need to put in almond milk. So initial ingredients: ice, almond milk, Muscle Nation whey isolate, the best whey protein in the game, vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, the Saigon one from Costco, from really good, ground nutmeg, which is basically the smell of Christmas. Smell that? You agree?
Yeah, it's definitely
smell of Christmas. And then last but not least, stevia sweetener. So we're going to add. This is a scientific process, you see. I'm going to guess that's about. I'm going to go for about what I think is about 300-400 ml of almond milk. You want the unsweetened variety, so no sugar. Athlete. I'm going to go 2 scoops of Muscle Nation vanilla whey. Go for a dash of vanilla extract. Ooh. And go nutmeg. I'm going to use a teaspoon for this, so make sure we get a decent serving, because my past cooking experience, I can make a mess when I use the powder. So about 1 teaspoon nutmeg. Go for the same for the cinnamon. Random fact about cinnamon: it's actually very good to help improve insulin sensitivity, so you should add it on your food, but within reason, because cinnamon is actually slightly toxic, so don't have tons of kids. And in terms of sweetener, to make this nice and sweet, we're going to go for 1 tablespoon of stevia. Bish bash bosh, done. The final piece of resistance to this, you need to have a NutriBullet to blend this up, because I think if you did blend it, it just wouldn't have the same effect. Also, we're blending with the ice. That is a protein eggnog. That is actually phenomenally good. That is superb. I am a genius. Try this. This is no bullshit. This is very, very good. So try this. I will put the full summary of exactly what I put in this in the description below. This is a must for Christmas, because this is phenomenally good. Even better than my festive hat. Drop me a comment below when you've tried this, and hit like, subscribe on the channel if you haven't already.